Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two updates on the internships, so we'll discuss one by one. So the first internship, currently HackerEarth is hiring for the technical engineer, that is for the problem setter, so for a programmer internship. And you can see it's an internship and the work location for this is Bangalore. And as you all know that HackerEarth, it is one of the AI powered developer assessment platform, and it has a tie-up with many of the companies, and also it provides a community which is basically a platform which is used by the developers and to assess their coding skills. So currently they are looking for the experienced graduates who are curious about the programming, so they want them to join that innovative team. And as mentioned, the location for this is Bangalore, and it's a hybrid, and the duration of this, it is 6 months, and which is extendable. And so here they have mentioned the roles and responsibilities. You can go through that. And coming to the required skills is that you need to have the excellent knowledge on data structures and algorithms, and make sure you have the profile in the HackerEarth, HackerRank, and some other coding platforms. It can be CodeChef or CodeForces. And so these are the main skills. And in order to apply, so you can view the application form in the right side. So you can apply with LinkedIn, or else you can apply manually. So you just need to fill your personal details, and you need to attach your resume, and if you have any CodeChef ratings, you can add that, and CodeForces ratings. And this particular role, it is for the Bangalore location. So this internship, it's an immediate opportunity. So those who are willing to relocate and who can make this, then you can mention yes, and later you can just submit the application form. So these are the details about the first company, that is the HackerEarth. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. And coming to the next company, that is Alcon Careers. So they are looking for the software engineer intern, and this is the job ID for this. So the last day to apply for this, it is April 16th 2026. So you have around 10 days to apply for this. So as mentioned, they are looking for the software engineer intern, and this location is also for Bangalore, so it's for the Bangalore location. And here you can view the key responsibilities, whatever they have mentioned. And coming to the key skills, main thing is that they are looking for those who has knowledge on Java. So you must have basic understanding of Java and the OOPS concepts, and familiarity with the Spring Boot and Spring, and basic knowledge of Angular, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is needed. And if you have knowledge of Python, so it will be an added advantage. And apart from that, some web development fundamentals, it can be HTTP, REST APIs, or the JSON, and exposure to the Git and SDLC and Agile methodology. So these are the key skills which are needed to apply. And knowledge on database and some DevOps like CI/CD concepts, so cloud platforms, exposure to the cloud platform. So if you have, it will be an added advantage for this internship. So these are the details about this, and so you can view, as mentioned, it is for the intern, and you will be working closely with the senior developers, architects, as well as the QA teams, and you will be working on hands-on projects. So this particular hiring, it is through Workday Jobs. So it has 3 ways to apply. You can autofill with resume, or you can apply manually, or you can use your last application. So in order to apply for this, make sure you have the account with the Workday Jobs, and you can directly log in and you can apply for this internship. So these are the 2 updates for today. So make sure you go through the job responsibilities clearly, and if you are willing to relocate to Bangalore, then you can apply for this. So do watch the video completely and do like the video. So the link for both of these 2 internships, so it will be provided in the description, so you can apply for these roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.